Alright, I think we're recording. Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I have a motorbike. It's this one here. It's a dope entrance, by the way. Yeah. Oh, that's sexy. That is tough. That is fucking sexy. This is a 2010 GSX650F. It is basically stock, minus like a couple of small things, but I'm working on it. I ordered some parts. It's gonna be good. Yeah. One of the first things you might have noticed as well, I don't have any. I can't even fucking talk, bro. Fuck. Alright, one of the first things you might have noticed is that this bike does not have an exhaust, a slip-on exhaust. As you can see right there. I shit you not, I was at Woolies the other day and I went into the store, came out 20 minutes later and it was gone. But I have another exhaust. It came in the package. It came in the post today. So I'm gonna install this bitch on that bitch and then fucking take it for a spin. What do you reckon? All right, I have the exhaust. So you guys get to see my dogs. Oh, there's another bit in here, the foot. Oh, also when I'm gonna use that. This is the tip, the KO Lightning Moto exhaust pipe. Oh yeah. And it also says, for racing use only. Bro, look how fucking hollow this shit is, bro. This is gonna be loud as fuck. Mid pipe. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know what the fuck that does, though. I'm assuming that sits like that. And then... Okay, I'm clearly installing this wrong, bro. Why is that so fucking massive? There's no chance that's what it's like. There's no chance. Unless this is like... Is this a foot peg? I think that might be a foot peg. That can't be a foot peg. Look how fucking goofy that shit looks, bro. That and it sticks out from the butt. That's definitely not right. That is definitely not right. What the fuck? There. That looks better. That looks like it's supposed to be like that, but am I fucking stupid, bro? It's an exhaust. It can't be that hard to fucking figure out. Ow. So I think I've figured it out. This weird thing, I don't know why, but it just hits that. And if I put it like upside down like that, then look how fucking goofy this exhaust looks. It sticks out way too much. The only way that this thing actually looks half decent is if you butt it up like that, where it's like it's hitting the metal. Like that's on at the here, and that's butting up there. Even though there's fucking padding on the other side. That's the only thing I can think that actually looks like half decent. So, I think, I'll be honest, I think I'm just gonna run with it. Fuck it, maybe I'll just grind it off. I don't even fucking know. But it looks fucking sexy. How sick does that look? I mean, I look clapped. I should shave. But look at the fucking exhaust. Oh my goodness. Really quickly, I'm gonna clean up all my fucking mess and then we'll start this bitch up. By clean mess, I just mean move it to the side. Oh fuck. All parts and shit. Good view of my ass. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, I've got the keys. I'm gonna go start this up. I'm kind of nervous. I mean, I know this thing will be loud, but like, how loud? Alright, here goes nothing. That's so fucking loud. That's obnoxiously loud. That's why. Can you hear it going wop, 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 wop? That's the coolest fucking thing ever. Oh my god, bro. Holy fuck. Holy shit, the exhaust. Oh my days. That is obnoxiously loud. We should definitely go take it for a fucking spin. What do you reckon? All right, I'm gonna go put my gear on, and then we'll take this bike for a spin. Fuck yeah! All right, check this out, yo. This transition is about to be sick. Oh, the fucking transition! Fuck yes, let's go for a fucking ride, bro! Alright, my plan is we'll go on the highway and open her up, see what she's got. Oh, I haven't ridden the bike in like a week, bro. Sounds so nice. Oh. Alright. We'll turn right onto the highway, send it that way and just fucking open it up and see what happens. That is fucking incredible, bro. Brand new fucking exhaust. Sounds fucking juicy, bro. Juicy as shit. Man, it's actually the springs are holding it together. It's not moving, so and not as the fucking. Hey, I'll take that shit, bro. I'll take that. That's what we need, boys. That's what we fucking need. That's our next bike right there, bro. I forgot that I can just lane split. I completely forgot that was even a thing, bro. Oh, dumbass. This is really fucking like, sketch. Yo, what's up, bro? That's sick. Oh, fuck! Oh, shit! Yeah, that's nice, sick, bro. Hey, he's got the fucking... Oh! Bro, I just ordered new fairings, new fucking everything. Look at that shit, bro. Damn! That's nice, bro. Nice! That's nice, bro! That's what I'm talking about. Yes, bro, yes. So that's why he's the goat. He's the actual goat. I'm back after the ride, and holy shit, it's incredible. Like, just look at it, bro. Oh my days. Oh, it looks so good on the bike as well. Like, it fits it so well, minus the fucking tail tidy, which I've ordered the tail tidy, so I will put that on eventually. Don't look at the scratches. But the exhaust, my days. Sounds nice, it looks nice. I've got no complaints on it. So, like, personally, I would want it louder, but I'm very happy with it, and it will definitely be staying on my bike for a while. Yeah, I literally have no complaints about the exhaust. I mean, just fucking look at it, bro. Oh my days. Well, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Literally my first ever video. So I hope I edit this and it looks like half decent video. My bike will be faster.